Welcome back to Slow Speak English. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is our 100 Days English Speaking Challenge, and today is day 2. Thank you so much for joining me again. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 30 daily English sentences you can use every day. These are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. I will speak slowly and clearly. Please listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sentence number 1. Good morning. Sentence number 2. How are you today? Sentence number 3. I'm doing well, thank you. Sentence number 4. What is your name? Sentence number 5. My name is Emma. Sentence number 6. Nice to meet you. Sentence number 7. Where are you from? Sentence number 8. I'm from the United States. Sentence number 9. How old are you? Sentence number 10. I'm learning English every day. Sentence number 11. Can you help me, please? Sentence number 12. Please speak slowly. Sentence number 13. Could you say that again? Sentence number 14. I don't understand. Sentence number 15. I understand now. Thank you very much. Sentence number 17. You're welcome. Sentence number 18. Excuse me. Sentence number 19. I'm sorry. Sentence number 20. No problem. Sentence number 21. What time is it? Sentence number 22. I'm ready. Sentence number 23. Please wait a moment. Sentence number 24. Let's go. Sentence number 25. I'm busy right now. Sentence number 26. I'm free this afternoon. Sentence number 27. See you later. Sentence number 28. Have a great day. Sentence number 29. Take care. Sentence number 30. Good night. Excellent job! Today you learned 30 daily English sentences that you can use in real-life conversations. Now it's your turn. Watch this lesson again, repeat every sentence aloud, and practice every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for being part of our 100 Days English Speaking Challenge. Today was day 2, and I'm so happy you're learning with me. What would you like to learn in day 3? Let me know in the comments. I read your comments, and your suggestions help me create future lessons. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Slow Speak English, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking English every day. I'll see you in day 3. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.